Hello guys, so today I'm gonna showcasing a system that's not made by me. Go shout out to this guy, what is he called? Like he was my dream. I love him, like he was like my favorite YouTuber. Okay, so I used to watch him when I was like younger than right now. he I used to watch him and I followed his scripts and I made my first ever 100 script with him. Okay, so when I go, I want to check out the link. Okay, just look what happened. It's unavailable. So I said, why not to do it? So follow me. Put the item handler and server storage. Put the tools in server storage. And put the screen GUI in starter GUI. And put the shop GUI into replicate. Oh, no, I meant this. Okay, so now when we go here, you should see the shop. Just wait a minute, it's lagging. Should see a shop, pretty much, right? Yeah, you can customize it wherever you want. I'm gonna show you how to customize it. So make this visible. Make this two frames visible. Visible. Let's make it visible. Invisible. You can like customize it and make a new one if you want, but you need to make sure. But if you don't want to change it, that's fine. Okay, you're gonna go to server storage, the tools. Go put any like tool you want. Maybe I want like probably cake or just get cupcake. Cupcake. Okay. Let's get this. Oh, let's get like a cupcake. Cake or burger. You can do anything you want, but I'll just take a cake. So yeah, let me just real quick. I got it. No, you must make it a two. Okay, then Burger King, I guess anything, or taco if you want any. So pretty much, I got this. Let's make it called handle. Okay. Okay. Make it a little bit huge. So now we're gonna get a tool. Let's call it. Oops. Got it deleted. I'm sorry. Let's get a tool. Put it into it. Name it. Let's name it to something like burger. Burger, like the same thing. Okay. Name a burger. Now let's put it in tools. So now after this, I'm gonna explain to the beginner scripters. I'm right now advanced, like kinda beginning to pro, because I always go to the Roblox show website and learn more. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot something. We need something to call a price label. You know what is price? Okay, so first you're gonna get like uh, into value. Call it price. I'll make the burger $5. I made it $5. But the cake, I want it to be 100. And here we go. Let's see. Right now I'm making a series about a tycoon. No, I mean like a similar how to make a simulator. So when it's released, I'm gonna show you guys. This by burger. Quick. Get out. Okay. Burger. And now I'm gonna be explaining the script. First, item handler. So this is basically telling the player, local players, like this line over here telling now I want players equal game.getServers for players. It's basically saying I want players, but I want when I call players, it's like naming a baby. Naming a baby. Maybe I want to call this baby a Chris. Okay? So when you call Chris, it comes. Exactly the same for these, but for replicated storage and this and tools. Like this whole line means like this. And here we're starting a function. This function, okay, and like this is a main player. We're saying here players, like Chris, come here, okay, and this is making item model create a data script, like creates stats. What is stats? This, I mean over here, this is the stats, and this the tic tac. So it makes a cooldown, debounce, if you mean, like if somebody clicks too hard to equip, it's gonna debounce. Okay, it takes at least 25 seconds, not like many seconds, okay? And you can make it like maybe 1 second if you want. If action, then equip, then and try destroy, then return, okay? And local price if you're wrong. And this is telling we have a price, find first child of a price. Found tool is like this thing over here. So now we're saying price. And then what is the int value of this price called? Oh, the value is 0. Checks if they have 0. If they have 0, then they can buy it. If they have like one thing, they also can buy it. But it's not gonna damage. If we need that value, then and this is basically the same script. Yeah, this is how to explain it. And here was like this local script. Oops, there's something. Let's go to shop GUI, go to container, go to locals tool handler. So this is like the same when I told you about here about naming a baby. Okay? And now we're starting spin object like this. So we're telling spin objects equal this. So we're telling basically open a bracket. Okay? So this is much simpler. In local rot, we don't need rods over here, but we might need it in a few stuffs like here. Okay? And now if it's a tool and yeah, blah 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 blah. And this is basically creating a new camp for to see what is the player buying, and this is a handle of making and things, and yeah. And this is item dot blah 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 blah. And this is like basically telling backpack dot remove then current frame equal equip. That's basically telling if it's becomes like equip UI, then it's can go to unequip. Okay, and yeah. So this is the basically script. So you're now asking me what is the item module? Item module is like getting the player's data and data service, and yeah, this is the whole point of this script. And yeah, this is how I made this thing. And right now I'm making. So we have this part over here. Cake 100, but we can make us even more richer, which is going to here, going to money value. Let's make ourselves like 5,000 richer. So yeah, let's check out. Now look, You can buy the cake. Yummy. And I can equip it. Equip books. So yeah, get the link in the description in the comments. So yeah, bye guys.